welcome to Bird in Hand Live, your bi-weekly live broadcast for news, events, trivia, and fun from right here in the beautiful village of Bird in Hand, Pennsylvania. My name is Ken. Well, stick around. In a few minutes, you'll have another chance to win a prize from one of our Bird in Hand family of properties. But for right now, let's get to some updates and upcoming events. Kitchen renovations continue at the Bird in Hand Family Restaurant Smorgasbord. We will partially reopen tomorrow with a modified smorgasbord options. That will be through next Wednesday, March 7th. The restaurant is scheduled to be completely back up and running on Thursday, March 8th. To see the current menu options, go to our website and click on the Restaurant Kitchen Renovations feature. And don't forget that March 20th is the first day of spring, and to celebrate, we will be giving away a free scoop of our premium artisan ice cream at the Bird in Hand Bakery and Cafe. Lots of great flavors to choose from the peanut butter and chocolate, the espresso chocolate chip, and of course our feature flavor that I announced on the last live broadcast, our blueberry lemon swirl. So we hope to see you here for that. March 27th starts a new season of shows at the Bird in Hand stage. Our new musical, The Home Game, produced by Bluegate Musicals. The Home Game tells the story of a young Amish baseball pitcher who is spotted by a major league talent scout, and he has to decide whether he wants to follow his dream of playing for the big leagues or if he wants to live the simpler life that his father wants for him. The Home Game runs on the Bird in Hand stage March 27th through October 27th. And of course, all of these events and more and details about them can be found at our website at bird-in-hand.com/events. Alrighty, so the question of the week, I'll get to the contest in a minute, it revolves around this live broadcast. We're still trying to find its identity, basically. We do want to evolve the broadcast, and I won't always be sitting here at a desk and telling you the updates and that sort of thing. Plan on getting out and about. Just a couple things to look forward to. In May, I'll be going on and broadcasting from one of the Farm to Fork tours. In June, I will be broadcasting of our Smucker ice cream socials. And in July, I'll be broadcasting live from one of our cornfield banquets. And the big one that I'm really looking forward to is sometime this spring. I don't have a date quite pinned down yet, but I'll be broadcasting live from a hot air balloon ride through U.S. hot air balloons, and that should be a lot of fun. So stick around for that. But the question is, what do you want to see? What do you want to see from this broadcast? What would keep you coming back and chatting with us every other week? So give us a comment right down here below or over on the side, wherever it happens to be for you. And while I'm waiting for that, hi Mike, glad you like the family in. Hello, Ruth from Florida. Welcome back. It's good to see you again. Let's see here. Ice cream, can't wait. Yeah, looking forward to the ice cream. We'll also be broadcasting from the first day of spring, the free ice cream at the bakery and cafe. So you want to stick around for that. Mud sales. That would be an interesting one. I hadn't even thought about that. Thanks for the idea there, Ruth. Luke, vacation here plenty, booked several times. Luke, thank you. Thank you for staying with us. We're really glad to have you, and I can't wait to see you back here. So, oh, Mike wants to move to Lancaster County. I'll tell you what, it is fantastic living here. The only downside is when they fertilize the fields that they were doing today. Um, but other than that, it's a great place to live. So I'd recommend it if you have the ability to move here. It's a great place to live. Favorite spot for ice cream? Okay. Not sure what you guys want to see, but in addition to the things that I mentioned, but we we're open to your suggestions, and we're here. This whole broadcast here is for you guys to get a chance to see what's around here and experience it with me. So. If you think of anything, by all means, leave another comment. Like I always say, we check back on them and read through them, and a lot of times respond to them. So, but if you have an idea of what you'd like to see me do, us do with this broadcast, please leave a comment and let us know. So, getting to our contest, and I waited the contest for the end because I wanted to see what you guys had to say and answer to the question. We have two more vouchers to give away for our smorgasbord at the Bird in Hand Family Restaurant and Smorgasbord. Um, so this time, what I need is the first person to instant message us on this Facebook page with the correct answer, and you will get yourself a couple of passes to the smorgasbord. The question is, we have renovations going on right now at the restaurant. What year did the restaurant open? Here's a little hint. It's on our website, so so you should be able to find it there, and you might know it off the top of your head. Who knows? So be the first person to instant message me right here on this Facebook page, and I will get back to you and get all your information and find out where you would like me to send those vouchers to. So that about does it for this week. We will be back here live in 2 weeks. That's going to be March 14th at 6:30 p.m. You want to stick around for that one, because if you think our giveaways have been pretty cool up until now, you ain't seen nothing yet. On March 14th at 6 on the 6:30 live broadcast, we will be giving away 2 passes for balloon ride, a hot air balloon ride through U.S. Hot Air Balloon Team. So you'll want to stick around. You want to come back for that. I've been on one already. They are a lot of fun. They're really really a great experience. So. Also be sure to check us out on our website, bird-in-hand.com, and on this Facebook page for more updates and more fun right here from the beautiful village of Bird in Hand. So we'll be back here in 2 weeks. Until then, take care.